What's goody in the hoodie, baby? It's your queen Shonycee back again with another video. What? Another video. I look different today, y'all. But anyways, today I will be a fruit. But no. Today I will be unboxing some of my inventory. Everything hasn't come in yet, but two things are supposed to be coming in a little while. But I didn't want to wait because I got another video to film after this. After I open this stuff up. So let's just get right into it. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you're enjoying my entrepreneur videos. After this, I'm gonna be I'm sorry, I talk too fast. After this, I will be finishing up my vlogs, y'all. Y'all know I started doing my vlogs. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And look, y'all, my business is up and running. Why haven't you shot with me? Why haven't you brought a sample? Like, let me show you. Like, I got the edge control samples that you can sample. I have the brushes, and I dazzled them myself. Y'all see the rhinestones? I have it all, baby. I got the hair greases. I was dragging it. Got the hair grease and more in here. I don't advertise as much, so I'm trying to get better at that. I got the Bomb Diggity Glow and Grow Butter. Oh my God, I'm gonna do a tutorial on this, y'all. I promise I'm gonna do a tutorial on this. See? Tutorial coming soon. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, my oils, my mini oils. I'm sorry. I got the mini oils. These are, if you are local, it's $3. If you order from Mercari, it's $5. So yeah, y'all shop with me. My website will be up. Oh my God, y'all can't wait. Anyways, let me open this stuff because that's what y'all waiting for. Let me make sure my address not up there where you can't see it now. But yeah, this is my first package of opening. I don't know what this is. I just gotta see when I get it. Okay, here's my invoice. Okay, so these are my samples. My sample containers. If y'all want to get some, that's the name of who I got these from. These are my sample containers for my edge control. Like this. It's like the same. Let me make sure that's the same. Let me open these up real quick. I want to show y'all a close up. But yeah, I got 2 packs of these for now. This is my black edition. Yep, it's big enough. It holds a good amount to me. See? Come with the top. Because y'all know sometimes you got to buy the top and stuff separate. And I don't believe in that. I don't like that. So yeah, I ordered these. They the plug, baby. I'll be ordering more of these. I like them. They're just so like little and comforty. I'm talking about comforty, but they're just so little and nice. But like these are for my black edition edge control that will be coming soon, baby. Coming sooner than you expect it, baby. Shop with me, baby. Let me put these up. I'm talking about shop with me, baby. I'm gonna put them in here for now. I'm gonna open them up after, because after I do everything. Okay. Here's my other box. There should be more than one thing in here, so. I like how sometimes Amazon put a lot of stuff in one box. But then again, sometimes I like when I got more boxes, you know. So, I love opening packages. Y'all heard this on, I'm pretty sure y'all heard this on every channel. But it feels like Christmas, for real, it does. So, ooh, okay. Quality sucked today, but it's all good. It's good. You seeing what you need to see, and I'm showing you what I need to show you. Okay. Okay. So y'all, these are my tins for my black edition collection. Oh, these are bigger than what I thought. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm hyped because I thought it was gonna be so flat and not good enough. But look, it got space. I thought it wasn't gonna be deep. So yeah, It's lit, baby. It's motherfucking lit. It's motherfucking lit. Hey. Let me see. Because I got more colors than this. I'm trying to make sure they're trying to see if everything's easy to block. Ooh. These should be like 36. How many is this? This 9. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, y'all. These are for my black edition. Yay! I see. Don't that look good? Oh my god, y'all cannot wait, baby. Oh, what? Me and that word baby. Like, yes, I'm excited. I can't wait. What the freak is this? I gotta move my boxes because he getting them dirty trying to feed these freaking plants. Y'all know my boxes I set up like right here. Y'all saw how my desk look. But he's getting my boxes dirty trying to feed the freaking plants. Making me mad. Y'all already seen these, my purple tackle bags. I'm still debating whether I should keep these or not. Because I'm just trying to think like, what do I have that can absolutely fit in here? Like, I just don't know. So I'm just figuring things out as I go. I might return them. Here's the big baby. The big baby. And I got more babies coming. But I'm gonna show y'all that in the vlog. Y'all know. So just stay tuned in the vlog. In the vlog. Yes, I'm feeling certified right now. Y'all know when y'all get this on top of your packages, you certified for real. Now you know you certified. Look. Oh, look at my blue tongue. Thumbnail. Ah, let me see. Okay, I'm excited, y'all. I've been waiting for this stuff for so long. Well, I wasn't even waiting long. That's why I love. I wasn't even waiting long. Dang, these are smaller than I expected them to be. Probably should have did 4 ounce. Let me show y'all these. Dang, these are small. This is 2 ounces, y'all. Look. They small. Maybe I need to do 4 ounces. I thought 2 ounce would be big. See? It's small. I got a debate on this. I hate when my stuff comes and then it's small. Then it's like, do I gotta take these back or what? What's this? I know they ain't send me no daggone marker. It's a marker. I did not know they were this small. Yeah, I got 20 of these, y'all. They're small. Oh, it come with labels, but I'm not gonna use those. They small. I thought I was booming, but they so small. Taking all this out. Okay, I got more stuff in here. Don't tell me these bags are big as. They're too big. I think these about to go back. Y'all, I'm always disappointed with my packages. Red. These are the red bags. For my men's collection. I don't think I like these. I don't like these. Oh. I need to stop switching things out. Like, it looks good from right there, but like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna make it work. I think they'll be alright. What y'all think? The red bags for the red collection, the men collection. I'm taking those purple bags back. Y'all know those purple bags that's right there. If you watch the other videos, then you know. I'm returning those. I be returning a lot of stuff. But it's not because like, you know, it's not because like I don't want it. It's because if it's not gonna fit right with the brand, then baby I don't need it, baby. So what's those? Somebody texted me. Okay, she told me to send her what image do I want on the stickers. Okay, because I got what else I got coming next? I have okay, these are more 10s. Okay. Oh, my thank you cards, y'all, and some stickers and more business cards and stuff. Got all that coming for the relaunch. Stay tuned, baby. Okay, so these are more black tins because I'm using them for 2 separate things. These, I think these 24. Yeah, I think these 24 right here. And let's see what this is. I think I'm gonna keep the red bags though. I think I can deal with them. They'll look cute once I put my little stuff in the bag. It'll be cute. But I also got something else for me in packages. Like, I have stuff for locals. I brought, like, bags for, like, my local people. And then I got other stuff for me to ship off, like the tassel bags. Like, that's what's going in the mail. So, my website will be up. It's about to get started on Monday, baby. Monday. I had already started on my website on Shopify. But I think I'm going to use Wix. I'm still, like, learning. It's kind of, you know, it's a learning process. It's a lot of money. This is a lot of money for real. Okay, so here are my silver tins. Silver tins for the same thing that I'm already doing. You already know. I'm going here. Okay, it's going on this side. Okay. Yeah, they're going in here. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure it's sturdy. Yeah, it's going in here though. I was throwing it on, okay, like this. Y'all. And I got like probably 48 of these. Yeah, I think it's 48 of these, but yeah. So mostly everything that I got in this package is like packaging stuff. I'm about to use these now for the products I'm about to make. So that's a part of the vlog. So make sure you check that out too. What else I gotta show y'all? A little bit more stuff that I just got to add, you know, to what I'm doing. This, I got this from the store. I didn't order this online. But these are, if you have like a cosmetic business or something like that, something similar, hair care, anything, you can use these slider ice cream spoon things. This is what I'm going to use when I'm trying to, you know, transfer my stuff that I make. They were 50 cents. Excuse me, y'all. I don't got coronavirus. 60 cents. I got these just if I got any leftovers that I'm going to use for myself, so I can do like tutorials, because like people been buying stuff and I was expecting people to do tutorials, but they didn't. So like, you know, like your friends and stuff, I've been expecting them to do tutorials, but they didn't, so I'm just had to do it myself. So I'm gonna just show y'all some quick oils that I might use in my stuff. I got almond oil. All this stuff is good, and you know, grapeseed oil, virgin, I'm talking about virgin, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and last but not least, which one is this? I can't even remember. Yeah, I can't remember. Oh, I'm stupid. It say vitamin E. This is vitamin E, y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah. So yeah, that was part of my unboxing today. I do have more stuff on the way, but I just want to get these stuff. I want to get this stuff out the way because I'm about to use it right now. So, you know what I mean? So I hope y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to shop Shenanigans Hair Tea. Follow my business Instagram. I'm trying to get to 500. So, I keep saying subscribers. Trying to get to 500 followers before my lunch date, my relaunch date, which is May 30th, 2020, baby. Okay. Okay. Hey. All right, let me stop. But yeah, run me up. Help me get to 500 followers on Instagram. And my goal for YouTube is to get to 5K subscribers. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody who support me, my business, my videos, anything that you support me through. I appreciate you. And that's the end of this video. Peace out.